Hi, everyone, and welcome to another day in social studies. I'm excited to let you know about the project we're going to start working on today. You'll notice I'm here in Google Classroom, and that's where you're going to need to go to get started on this project. First, inside your stream, you're going to notice that I have a new assignment. It's called Native Americans Research and Google Slides. Let's take a look on it. I'm going to go to the instructions, okay, and then I'm going to click on the assignment. All right, as it's loading, okay, here it is. Here's your task. You and your group members will be learning about the history of one of five Native American groups. Now, there are a lot more than five groups, but I just want you to focus today on one of these five, and I'm going to let you know which group I want you to focus on. Once you've completed your research, you're going to build 3 Google Slides to share your findings. Now, how are you going to do this research? I bet you're sitting there thinking, what do I do next? Well, here's where you start. I want you to first to go to TrueFlix to find out about your Native American group. We've used TrueFlix before, and it's a way to access a lot of different books. I'm clicking on it now, articles and other resources in here. So the 5 groups we're going to look at today are the Apache, the Comanche, the Inuit, the Iroquois, the Pueblo, and the Sioux. Each of you is going to focus on one of them, okay, in your group. Now, there are a few different kinds of resources in here that I wanted to show you. If I click on the Apache, I'm going to get a long list of things I can do. I can watch a video to learn a little bit about them. I can also read the book. And I clicked on the left-hand side to go to the book about the Apache, okay? I can choose the audio version of the book so that it's read out loud using my headphones, okay? I can also read through it. Now, one other thing I wanted to show you, I'm going to go back to the Apache again, is that there's a section in here called Explore More. If I click on that, I'm going to learn that there's an article about the Apache, and I'm going to click on it. Okay, so it tells a lot about the Apache. Now, what are you going to do with all this information? Let's go back to our planning sheet. The next thing that it says is to begin to explore the articles, videos, and books about your group. So I want you all to do that carefully. And then step 3 says record highlights about the history and culture of your group. And then lastly, you're going to create your Google Slides. I've created some boxes on your planning sheet to help you plan your research. First thing is your research topic. That's where you're going to want to tell me which group you are researching. Next, 3 historical facts about my group. We want to know 3 facts that happened to your group throughout its history. Next, 3 facts about your group today. What's going on today with these groups? Where do they live? What kinds of things are they interested in? What are some traditions, cultures, songs, foods that they might enjoy as part of their lives today? Next, what's one thing that's changed in their history? Okay. Remember, yesterday we talked about how lots of different groups change throughout their history. All of us change as people. So do cities, and so do different cultural groups. Okay. And then what's one thing that stayed the same? Okay. Now, once you do that, the next step is for you to go to Google Slides to create your slides. I want you to create 3 slides, and I want each slide to talk about the history, the culture of your group today, and something that's changed and something that stayed the same. If you have any questions, let me know, and we will work through it together. Let's have fun with this project.